Guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we have a 94 GMC Vandura 2500. Now this is not your typical video. I actually picked this project up as a detail slash maintenance. So the owner of this car wants me to fix every single little thing that's wrong with this Vandura, and then he's gonna sell it on his own. So let's take a look and see what's wrong with this truck, and then we'll go from there. All right, today we're only gonna focus on the detail part, and then we'll make a list and see what we need to repair. And obviously looking from this, it looks like it's leaking from the brake booster. You do have some hose replacements. Also smells like coolant, so we're gonna have to look at that thermostat housing. Paint looks in good condition, just needs a detail. Green interior. Let's see if we can save the carpet. I have to take all these seats out of here, clean all this carpet, but does not look bad. We got an opening there for maybe like a TV. I don't know, what do you guys think? Think we can save this van? I think we should just start on the cleaning process. I'm running behind, so let's get it. So the back seats, the two captain seats are removed. The couch in the back, I was not able to remove it. The 19 mil bolts that are holding the brackets down, they just keep spinning. So we're just gonna work around this. Shouldn't be an issue. Let's keep on going. done with the exterior after 4 hours later. You got all the wheels, everything cleaned up, all the windows wiped down. Now we have to start with the interior, vacuum all the carpet, and start washing that carpet so we can save it. Let's get started. The only thing I have to do is the engine bay. I gotta clean it up. I probably will take about an hour and a half, depends. And I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's already 6:30. I've been up since 6 a.m. and I got here at 8, so that's 10 hours in. So stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna be installing some new suspension components, ball joints, maybe lower control arms, shocks. We're also gonna be doing a full tune-up, new plugs, new cables, new maybe filter. The owner also wants to install new audio system, maybe put a few TVs in there, but stay tuned. It's whatever he wants to do with his van. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like, share the video, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next video.